In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a drop shadow to images in Wix using the classic Wix editor. If you're looking to add that extra dimension to your website images, a drop shadow can make them stand out beautifully. Let's dive into the process and explore how to achieve this effect with minimal effort. First, start by clicking on the image you'd like to modify within your Wix editor. When you select your image, you should see a pop-up toolbar appear. This toolbar is packed with options to help you design and enhance your image just the way you want it. The next step is to look for the design option on this toolbar. Go ahead and give it a click. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to take full control over the appearance of your image. Once you're in the design area, you'll notice a variety of image frame styles to choose from. These styles are designed to help you add a unique touch to your images, and within these options, there are those that specifically include a shadow effect. This is key. You want to pick a frame style that has that shadow feature integrated. By selecting a style with a shadow effect, you're essentially adding a layer of depth to your image, making it pop off the page and grab the attention of your visitors. Now, after you've applied your chosen shadow style, you might want to tweak it a bit to ensure it fits perfectly with your site's design aesthetic. Depending on the frame style you've chosen, you might have the option to adjust the intensity and style of the shadow. Feel free to play around with these settings. For instance, increasing the intensity can make the shadow more pronounced, while adjusting the style might give it a softer or sharper edge. It's worth noting that this approach is quick and does offer some degree of customization. However, it's important to keep in mind that the options can be somewhat limited. Although you can definitely achieve a striking look with what's available in the classic Wix editor, for those who are looking for more advanced control or specific shadow characteristics, exploring additional tools or methods might be worthwhile in the future. That wraps up our tutorial on adding a drop shadow to images in Wix. As you can see, with just a few simple steps, you can enhance your website images, bringing your designs to life and making them more engaging for your audience. Give it a try and watch your images transform. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, happy designing!